Let's get started with your DAILIES TOTAL1 contact lenses. Always be sure to wash and thoroughly dry your hands with a clean, lint-free towel before you begin. Gently shake the pack before opening. Peel back the foil lid. Pour the lens into the palm of your hand, or if necessary, slide the lens out of the container using your forefinger. Now, take a close look. If the lens is shaped like this, with a perfectly round edge, it's ready for application. If it has a flared edge, it's inside out. Flip it over. Now it's ready to apply. With your clean, dry hands, place the contact lens on the tip of your index finger. Then, look into the mirror. Using your free hand's middle finger, pull the upper eyelid upward. Then take your opposite hand's middle finger and slowly pull the lower eyelid downward. Once your eye is open like this, gently slide the contact lens onto the center of your eye. Let go of your eyelid, blink, and open your eyes. And that's it. You're ready to go. Ready to remove your contact lenses? Here's how. Like before, wash your hands and ensure that your fingertips are completely dry before you touch your contact lenses or your eyes. This is critical because the surface of DAILIES TOTAL1 contact lenses is designed to stay wet, lubricious, and comfortable all day. So, dry fingertips will keep the lenses from slipping from your fingers. For this same reason, it's not recommended to put re-wetting drops in your eyes prior to removal. Blink fully several times, then look in the mirror. With your eyes open, hold the upper eyelid open with one hand and use the middle finger on your other hand to hold down the lower eyelid and look up, placing the tip of your index finger on the contact lens and slide down to the lower part of your eye. Gently pinch the lens between your thumb and index finger and remove it. Now, repeat the same process on your other eye. And because DAILIES TOTAL1 contact lenses are disposable, there's no cleaning and disinfecting. Simply discard them at the end of the day. Now you know just how easy using DAILIES TOTAL1 contact lenses can be. DAILIES TOTAL1 contact lenses. Comfort redefined.